Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and the brand new devotional, Fear Not from Illustrated Faith, has just landed on my desk. Let's check it out. It is always a really exciting day when I get a package from Illustrated Faith. This has the contents of the newest devotional kit for the month of October. It is called Fear Not. I saw online, I looked a little bit. It is beautiful. I cannot wait to open it, and I think that there are some extra goodies in here as well. So if you are interested in checking out what I got from Illustrated Faith, stay tuned. All right, so let's check out the main kit. This month's devotional was written by the one and only Shauna Noel. Love her writing, love to hear from her. And this is all of the goodies that comes with the kit. Look at the cute bags, you guys. I just love that they started creating these bags. And if you've been watching, you know that I cut these up and I use them for all kinds of purposes in my journaling and in my faith planning. So excited for the bag. This month, written by Shauna Noel, all of the designs and the graphics and things like that were done by Tamara, who is one of my favorite designers over at Illustrated Faith. She is so talented. Let's check out our card for this month. So thank you. Hey there, friend. As the leaves change their colors and the air turns crisp, I'm reminded of the beauty and wonder that comes with the shifting seasons of life. Dives into Fear Not. Here's our color crush. This allows you to kind of go through and find colors in your stash that might go well with this kit. A little sneak peek of next month and a fabulous journaling card. It looks like a verse a day through October. This is going to be fun. Okay, here is the book. Oh, it's so pretty. I want these pumpkins in my yard. How beautiful. Fear Not. Jumping right in, look at the illustrations from Tamara. Love it. She gives us a playlist. And then we jump in. Understanding fear. Then we have the source of our strength. This is so beautifully put together. Practicing faithful obedience. Love. And walking in faith, not fear. So pretty, so excited. 31 scriptures of faith over fear. That's awesome. That's going to work out really well for my faith planning. So I'm super excited to kind of dive into that. All right, so that is a beautiful devotional. These are always like buttery soft. I love these from Illustrated Faith, and Shauna is one of my favorite devotional writers, so I'm super excited that she wrote this month. I cannot wait to dive in. Love the journaling card that matches. That's going to be really useful. Let's see what else we got this month. First of all, here's the stamp set designed by Tamara. God love. This is a beautiful stamp. So this is solid. I'm interested to see what people do. Is it solid all the way through there? Okay, that's really interesting. I'm excited to see what people do with that. We have a little acorn, mushrooms. I like all the little mushrooms. Walking in faith, faith over fear. That's an interesting stamp. I'm looking forward to seeing if people end up stamping it in black. Do they stamp it another color? It would probably be really pretty in like a brown, or maybe a mustard colored like you see right here. That's cool. That's an interesting one. I like it. It's a little bit different. Beautiful. Then we have, ooh, what are these? These look like acetate florals, and if so, I'm here for that. I love Tamara's florals. They're some of my favorite. Okay, those are totally acetate florals. How pretty are they when they overlap? So nicely cut out in large. I love those. I love her florals and could use them all of the time on all of the things. That is super pretty. So you get 5 of the acetate florals. What else do we have? Oh, I love these. So I've been adding these vinyl stickers, and I think they even have a couple of different ones in the shop right now. Created for love, for hope, for power, for joy, for purpose, not for a spirit of fear. I've been putting the vinyl stickers on my faith planner cover and loving what it looks like. They're all like faith-based stickers, and I think that they are just gorgeous on the cover. And I'll definitely show you all that when I set up my faith planner for the month of October. How beautiful. So love the vinyl sticker. Then it looks like these little cards. Grow through what you go through. They're one-sided. Fearless. Do not fear. He is my guide. No turning back. Pretty. He is my light. So beautiful. Cute little journaling cards, cute little tip-ins. Love, love, love those. And of course, the ephemera. Always one of my favorite parts. First of all, pretty sticker. Yes, please. Always one of my favorite parts. All of the ephemera. It looks like a ton of florals, which I am here for. Oh, look at the cutie little acorn. I love that. Okay, guys, look at these gorgeous floral. This is my type of floral, a little bit more abstract, and I'm here for, oh, I like the leaves too. The mushrooms and the butterflies. I'm trying to show it all to you. The leaves are really pretty. Pumpkin. I like all the butterflies and the moths. Those are really cute. More mushrooms, little banner. Mushrooms. Oh my gosh, there's always so much. With the fly. Oh, the cup. Yes, please. Oh, I want that mug. That's beautiful. Lots of sizes this month, which is cool. Mushrooms, butterflies, mushrooms, acorn, more leaves, more pumpkins. Ooh, art supplies. Gotta love those art supplies. So cute. Love the art supplies. More mushrooms, more leaves. The leaves are going to make a fun spread. Florals, leaves, art supplies. Pretty. Oh, I love these pieces. These are great for journaling on. God is not the author of fear. Annie F. Dans. Oh, I love that. I love Annie. Pretty, gorgeous. More little acorns. Love all the journaling pieces. Okay, so this is that stamp. See what I mean about not doing it in black? Because then you can journal in this little spot if you didn't do it in black. Love. See? That's cute. Okay, I like that. Oh, the moon. That's very pretty. Love the journaling spots. More florals. Oh, look at this. How stinking adorable. Yes, please. Love Tamara's paintbrushes. There's no fear in love. So, oh, look at the, so fun. So many great paper pieces. Perfect for your journaling. I'm excited. So that is the Fear Not devotional kit. It is available right now over at Illustrated Faith. Don't forget, they have two sides of their shop. So when you visit illustratedfaith.com, you either go to the physical shop, which is where you buy things like this, or you can click over to the Print and Pray shop. And what that is going to be is digital files. And the digital files are fantastic. You can download them. You can print them as many times as you want for your personal use. You can print them on clear sticker paper. You can print them on vellum, whatever it is, you can print it on there. And that's a fantastic way, especially if you're overseas and you don't want to pay for shipping. And just to pick up some of these goodies to be able to play with, but not always get the physical product. However, both sides available. Make sure to go check it out. Okay, I also received some other goodies. This stamp, Jill's beautiful letter. These are like her typewriter letters. So if you didn't know, Jill does a ton of the graphic design in the like setup of the devotionals. She's fantastic, and I love that she has like a typewriter font that she uses. This is a fun size. This is a little big, which I'm here for. I think that is super awesome. Love a big alpha set. That's a, yeah, I love it. 6x8 size. Love, love, love. Let's see what is in here. Another cutie little mushroom bag. Some fun other extras that you can get in the shop. First of all, the library cards. I've been loving these. If you didn't see, I'm using these over near where I do my quiet time in the morning in order to write notes to people that are on my heart, that I want to pray for, or that I want to send a note of encouragement. I keep these kind of over near where I do my morning Bible study. because then I can just write a quick note. I think these are adorable and beautiful. Love the colors, the fall colors on this. Like, we haven't even talked about all the colors. I love. So pretty, so fall. Here's a new set from Elaine. She does the art essentials. This is a nice big graphic set. Fly, you got the bird and the florals. Very pretty. Love. Beautifully done, beautifully designed by Elaine. Then we have a fun new sticker sheet. So these are all on clear, which is really nice. If you love faith planning like I do, this might be a really good option for you to pick up to go with your kit because these work so well in a planner. Love. And then, of course, a fun new stencil with all of these beautiful starbursts on it as well. There are even more goodies in the shop. There are some gorgeous new washi that I'm gonna have to go put in my cart because it's so beautiful, designed by Tamara. There are beautiful trinket trays, which are fantastic to have around. Let me see if I have my trinket tray. Here is a different trinket tray, so cute, from Illustrated Faith. Fantastic to have around to kind of catch all of your goodies, of your extra little pieces while you're creating. And there are new ones that are designed that have some of Tamara's illustrations on them, and you will love them. They are gorgeous. So check those out as well. I think this is going to be a good study, you guys. I'm excited to dive in. I love, like I said, Shauna's words always touch my heart and inspire me to dig deeper, which I think is the mark of a really good devotional. And I love that there's 31 days of scripture. I'm definitely going to have that going in my faith planner and my studies. So let me know down below, did you pick up this new set from Illustrated Faith? Are you still thinking about it? Be sure to check out the shop. There's still plenty of time to get set up for the month of October. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said before, I will link Illustrated Faith down below. Just double check which side of the website you're going into. Are you going into the physical side to get actual physical product mailed to you, or are you headed over to the print and pray side, which is all digital files? Either one works, just depending on what you are wanting to create. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.